So now let's figure out what's going on with this CTA section here. So our pages are good. The problem that I'm seeing is that I'm not getting our header text in, and everything's showing up as undefined, except for the actual buttons themselves. So let's go ahead and clear out some of these, because we're only going to work with the CTA stuff. All right, so got our CTA config, we've got our index. So our interface name, which should not go here, I just want to make sure, yes, this is correct. So from the interface name, we should end up getting a header section, an active section, and then a buttons section. But what we're getting is just the buttons. So that's what I'm trying to figure out here. And so here we can see like things are getting defined. They're being shown in my IDE. But if I save it, they go away. I think the issue is in how I'm rendering the blocks. So let's go to our RenderBlocks component. Is it? Okay, so that is what's happening. And this is going to be great for the next video. So we're going to fix this for now, but the next video, I can't believe I haven't done this yet. We made the relationship converter. We've cleaned up our components, but what we want to do is build new block render payload block component, because that's why I'm running into issues here. So I should change this from button to be the spread operator for blocks. And then that should fix that issue. Yeah, so then I do this. I should get my header. Don't get my buttons. So we're almost there. So let's log our props, see what we get, and see why we're not getting our buttons. All right, so I see our header section. I see active, and I see buttons. And in buttons, so we should be able to do props.buttons, okay, .length, which should give us 2. It does indeed. So the next part then is what happens if we do .map and then just do button. And we can just do button, so it returns the button in an array. All right, so we get that. So everything should be fine, but I'm still not getting buttons. So let's take a look at what's going on in the button itself. All right, so I see all of the information that's coming from the buttons. So I know I did this elsewhere. Do I need a, no, so the button container is there. So that doesn't matter. Let's look here again. Okay, so what we'll do, let's bring out our buttons here, even though this should be working. Oh boy, okay, so, oh, I just need to add button is primary. Get rid of class name, do the same thing here. And so we'll see if this actually works. All right, button, Our CTA section is gone completely. Oh, because if not active, your boy's a dummy. There it is, CTA section, CTA 1 and 2. So that means then, so the buttons work there. Then let's make sure the buttons still work. And they do. So yes, the problem was that I am exceedingly dumb. Sometimes. I mean, I've been doing this for an hour and a half nonstop. So what can you expect after going through this straight, talking out my thoughts and coding at the same time and designing? So the CTA section, this should actually be in a section container as well, which is just a component that, or a layout component that I created to keep my formats, my layouts all smooth. And there we go. All right, so we did a lot and I'm feeling pretty proud of this work. So I think we're good to plot out our next steps. So let's first make sure that all my console logs are done. They're not, so I can delete this. I can delete this. All right. So the next video that I do when I stream, I'm gonna do the RenderBlocks component and just walk through how to create that, because what I have right now works. It's fine. It's just not very sleek, and I don't love that. So I would like to be able to get away from having this switch statement where I'm just going through each of the block types and actually, import can be shortened, okay, and actually use like a little bit more of a sleek approach to this. That should honestly make it faster and better in general.